What's up, guys? So right now, I am at my friend's house, my very good friend's house. Her name is Ania, and right now we're about to make some slime, and I don't know what to set the camera in. And I'm not sick; it's just my allergies. Okay. This will just do. This. I know.
Y'all got a game tomorrow.
Yeah.
Well, I'm a cheerleader. I'm the assistant coach for cheerleading. So, I mean, I'm not in basketball or anything, but I got a game tomorrow.
Yeah. I was gonna do it, but I missed practice today, so I couldn't do it.
I'm finna get the paint first.
I need two straws. Damn, I'm listen. Do we have any? I need some gold.
Red. I was looking for these ones here.
I'm gonna be making these two colors, which makes peach. And
I'm gonna be mixing. Not mixing. I'm gonna use this red acrylic paint.
And then this is acrylic. And
oh no. Bro. Look at this. This is nasty. What color is this still? It's gonna be orange though. That's the bad part.
So I'm trying to make it go for peach color. So
I was going for red, but here I'll show you.
It's gonna be powdered pink.
We're gonna need this time.
Yeah. I just need one dot of yellow. Just one dot of pink.
That's a little bit. What is that for?
I put 2 drops of acrylic paint.
Well, I put a couple of drops of this red.
So
and it turned out orange.
This glue is very thick. See, mine turned out orange.
Put more yellow.
I'm gonna put some shaving cream in it. It's gonna make it.
Bro, so this is what I did to make it. Hold on.
So always when you do this, you want to shake up the shaving paint when you're making fluffy slime. So to make it lighter, just add some shaving cream. This could be called.
I like this color. I don't know what
this. It could be called orange juice. So this could be called flavor.
Cause it'll need to be more orangish. Like it'll need to be like this orange. That's peach.
I love light colors, y'all.
Yeah.
Y'all, she really loves fluffy slime. That's her favorite.
So I love
my favorite is
yes, Fox spend night tonight.
Probably, and then I can spend the night tomorrow. Yeah,
we always do this. We silly, we goofy,
we goofy. We just goofy friends.
We just good friends.
I mean, sometimes we might get into argument.
Right, but we gonna be like, we so petty. Like, why is we doing this? Like, we always realize we so petty.
We so petty. But if we was at school,
it'll be a whole different other story, y'all.
We next door neighbors.
We don't even get in fights at school.
Yeah, but still.
Them kids at school, retarded, need some help.
Yeah, but I'm listening to my friend. I already told you.
Yeah, I'm her friend too.
She nice.
Yeah.
It just if somebody irritate her, she'll
right.
It's
just like
if I irritated you, you're like, can you stop?
Right.
I'm mixing it real good, y'all. This color is like a bomb.
This color is like.
Oh, you wanna do it? You wanna do my routine when you come over?
Yeah, then we can do the morning routine of my house. Or we can do a morning routine at your house. It don't matter. Or we can just do both.
Right. Or we could just do it again.
Right.
I mean, it don't matter. And Skylar, remember?
Oh yeah, my mom always said you can definitely spend the night, but then, oh yeah, that's what I need to do. Call Sanaya. Because I actually don't want Sanaya to come over, but I want Skylar. I don't want Skylar to come over, but I want Sanaya to come over. You know Sanaya I'm talking about, right?
Sanaya in 5th grade?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't know no other Sanaya. Except for Sanaya and Miss Hot daughter. Miss Hot's daughter, but why would you invite her?
Bruh,
So yeah,
I
added some more shaving cream. Cause I personally love.
Bro,
fluffy
look at this
shaving
color. I wasn't even going for this,
I
but
like
it's
that
so
color.
pretty. Bruh.
The phone went off.
No, this is what it says. That stuff.
What?
That gets on my nerves. Okay, well, I guess you come over. I guess I'll call her. Nope, actually, I don't want her over.
Why?
Because sometimes I just want one person over.
Sometimes she be with me.
Yeah. She be
Well,
like
not-
trying to,
Not mean like.
she be trying to be on my side and stuff, and she be trying to go against you.
I saw that, but look.
I just be so confused. You could have made more than that since it's a big container. That's why I was making more. Since
I know,
got
cause
bigger
at first I thought I would put a lot of glue because it be looking like you put a lot of glue, but then it deflates or whatever. It's called.
Right.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can spend it over your house tonight. And then you're gonna see if you can spend it over my house on Friday, tomorrow.
Friday came by fast, it seemed like.
This is not stretchy. I am mad. No, this is what I do when I be like, I don't know, I just be talking and I be like, oh my goodness. You said, oh my goodness.
Yeah,
This is not stretchy, but it's such a good sign.
for real, feel this.
I'm finna add some blue
Feel
cheese.
this.
Let me play with it. This is good. It's warm too.
Dang, yours is super fluffy.
For some reason, I always add too much shaving cream.
Oh yeah, she loves fluffy slime. I love fishbowl slime, but
I got fish bowls, and I remember I still got them bees and them.
I basically just make the same color as this. I know.
We can mix it if you want to,
It don't really matter.
but then you can mix some more in that container. I'm probably just gonna throw this away. I'm gonna see what I can do to it. Like I'm gonna add
Probably add
some
some glitter glue. But that don't really make it more stickier.
Yeah, it's like not even that strong.
Yeah, like you can barely even see it in your phone. We're just talking about this glitter glue.
Y'all, sometimes we forget that y'all over there.
Yeah, but at least y'all looking at the front. I'm gonna put making slime with a friend or close friend or something. I don't know.
Don't you need what's it called?
Fish balls.
Yeah, what's it called?
What's it called?
Don't you need a clickbait picture? Not clickbait. What's it called? That Kelly and Daryl be saying like, don't you need a
So let's make it right now.
Oh,
I
you
know
know
what
what I'm talking about. Okay.
I know what you're talking
So you
about. When
ready?
you be like,
Come on.
put the slime.
Ready? Set.
Okay.
That's what they be doing though. They be like,
For real, cause this ain't no
I
clickbait.
don't know what to do. Look at it. But it's such a good color though. I'm mixing this in when I do it again though.
You better hope you get the same color.
But y'all just finna throw this away.
I'm putting fish balls in
Unless y'all gonna take this for $7. Yeet. Throw it away.
Yeah, at first she was labeling the slime with some tape. I don't know what the tape went. Yeah. Oh, the tape. And then she puts it on top of the container. So she doesn't write it with Sharpie. So yeah, we're gonna be labeling our slime, like calling them names. Like I don't know what I'm gonna call these.
I did my chore yesterday.
Do what?
Pretty stupid of me. The chore that I was supposed to do today, I did yesterday, which I don't know. But it's not my problem because now it's already done. Don't spill these because these always spill, so just make sure you close it when you're doing honey.
How about you don't use them?
Oh, well, you're sure I'm done.
Yeah, this slime is so... Y'all hear that? Y'all, comment down below if y'all ever made iceberg slime.
Bro, iceberg slime literally slays my life.
Shut up.
I think I'm gonna put this pink in there. I want a light pink. Where's the...
You've been making a lot of pink slime and you said you didn't like it.
I don't, but pink slimes are cute.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. Like, purple, like I don't have to say this purple. And then I add some shaving cream and it makes it lighter. I like light purple.
I know, and once I add shaving cream to this, it's gonna be lighter. I like that light pink color.
I love light
Bro,
colors.
this needs to be lighter. I hate this type of pink. But that light pink that I just had, I like that. But I didn't want to use that red because I thought that was what the damage did.
Sorry we're not talking to you, but
That's enough.
okay, trying to make it light.
I know, but I want it to be stretchy. It's alright, but I don't want to add any more. I don't know if I can see that, but it's like...
Y'all, comment down below
really
if y'all
tight.
watch Disney Channel and if y'all watch Bizarre Bar. I don't really
Bro, I
like
hate Bizarre, but
Bizarre
Bizarre
Bar.
Bar. It's stupid.
and Bump.
Bumped is alright, but it
Right.
ain't something I'll just sit there and
Watch.
watch.
Like, I watch Casey Undercover and a Raven song.
Bro, Stuck in the Middle slays my life.
Oh, yeah, Stuck in the Middle, too.
I love Stuck
But
in the Middle.
Rachel led.
I know, that's so sad.
I know, I almost
It's
made me
just so
cry.
sad.
Because it's something.
They one big happy family.
I know.
Well,
And that's well, one
It's-
very big happy family.
yeah.
Hold on, let me show you my song. Okay. Y'all, she right
We
now, she
will
making
have
fun.
ASMRs at the end. So.
Y'all, look at this. Y'all see that? She has a YouTube channel. What is it called? What is it called? What is it called?
I haven't posted anything, so.
She hasn't posted anything, but make sure y'all still subscribe to her. I don't
To
know.
Nia Franklin. N-I-A, capital N, and then capital F-R-A-N-K-L-I-N. Nia Franklin. That's my name, y'all. Did you know that?
And Maury Forever Here.
Yeah, that's my friend, her cousin. I got her phone number.
You do? Oh, yeah. Cousin, remember? Yeah.
When I was trying to call you, I asked her where you was at so you can call me back. But she left, so I FaceTime her. I like FaceTiming people now.
Me too. We always FaceTime each other.
Right. Like, we don't
Yeah.
call, we barely text.
We never even call her. We
Oh,
never
this
call.
ain't working. I keep putting a bunch of activator in here. Okay, there we go.
Oh.
I hate this pink.
Say hate. Hate is a strong word.
I don't care. I hate this pink.
I know that's for real. That's me. I'll be like, I don't care. I don't care. People be like, sometimes I'll be like, next time can you ask me if I care? Because people be like, guess what's coming in my house? I'd be like, next time ask me if I care.
Bro, look at this. It's like melting in my hand.
You might just need to add a I'm sorry, this song is just loving. This is only my first song. Usually I make more songs than you.
Okay.
So y'all can get a close up look. I'm about to take the camera, move it to the song.